Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your PS5. We will start by identifying some of the most frequent problems users encounter, such as unexpected power-offs, freezing, or disk read errors. Understanding these common culprits helps us quickly diagnose and address the root cause, saving you valuable time and frustration. Let's get your gaming experience back on track with these straightforward solutions, ensuring your console runs smoothly. A good starting point is always to inspect all your cables meticulously. Make sure the power cord is firmly seated in both the console and the wall outlet, and check your HDMI cable for a secure fit into the television and the console itself. Sometimes, a simple receipt can resolve connectivity issues instantly. Also, try plugging your console into a different wall socket to rule out an electrical problem. If hardware checks don't work, let's explore software solutions. You can boot your PlayStation 5 into safe mode by pressing the power button and holding it down for 7 seconds until you hear a second beep. From there, update your system software or choose to rebuild the database, which can resolve many common performance issues and data corruption. These steps are crucial for maintaining a healthy console. Finally, let's talk about preventing future problems. Regularly managing your storage by deleting games you no longer play can significantly improve performance. Furthermore, proper ventilation is key. Ensure your console is not enclosed in a tight cabinet and has at least 4 inches of clear space around it. Periodically cleaning dust from the vents will help prevent your console from overheating, keeping it running cool and efficient for years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.